Hi there all you happy hookers, you've got Sammy here, and today we're doing the cluster around granny square as part of our 365 granny square a day crochet along project. So I've just done a chain of 6 slip stitch to form a ring, a chain of 1 which does not count as a stitch, and I'm going to start working some single crochet into my ring. Round 1 will have 12 single crochet, and at the end of the round we will slip stitch into the first single crochet to finish off the round. So I'll let you guys work 12 single crochet into the ring. I'll meet you back here for round 2. Okay, round 2, we're going to chain 4, which will count as a triple crochet. We're going to triple crochet in the next single crochet, and chain 2, then we are going to triple crochet 2 together over the same and the next single crochet, leaving 2 on, going into the next to finish our triple crochet 2 together. Chain 2, triple crochet 2 together over the same and the next single crochet. Chain 2 and triple crochet to get 2 together over the same and the next single crochet. I'm going to repeat that all the way back to the beginning. Where we'll be joining with a slip stitch into the top of the first triple crochet 2 together. I'll let you guys finish out that round and I'll meet you back here for round 3. Okay, ready for round 3. We're going to slip stitch into the chain space, chain 3, and we're going to do a double crochet 2 together cluster into the chain space. Chain 3 and a double crochet 3 cluster. chain 3. So we're going to repeat that all the way around, just working in the chain spaces with a double crochet 3 cluster and popping a chain 3 between each of them. I'll let you guys finish out that round. I'll meet you back here for round 4. Okay, got a gorgeous flower. Now we are going to do round 4. So I'm going to chain 5, which will count as a half double crochet and a chain 3. 3, 4, 5. I'm going to skip the first chain 3 space. I'm going to do a double crochet 3 cluster, a chain 2 into the next chain space. A double crochet 3 cluster. Chain 2 and another double crochet 3 cluster, and chain 4. Then we're going to do that again. So making our first corner, so another double crochet 3 cluster. 1, 2, chain 2, and one last double crochet 3 cluster, all in the same chain space. And from there we're chaining 3, skipping the next chain 3 cluster and popping a half double crochet into the top of the double crochet 3 cluster. Chaining 3, skipping the next chain space and then working our next corner into the one following that. So that's our double crochet 3 cluster, a chain 2, a double crochet 3 cluster, a chain 4, a double crochet 3 cluster, a chain 2, and a double crochet 3 cluster. So we're just repeating that corner, the chain and the half double crochet all the way back to the beginning. I'll let you guys finish out this round and I'll meet you back here for round 5. So round 4 squared us up nicely. We're ready for round 5. Going to slip stitch back. So just turn over and slip stitch back to the last chain 3 space. We are going to double crochet 2 together over the, we're going to chain 3. One, 2, 3. Then we're going to double crochet 2 together over the half double crochet, which is really a chain, and the next chain 3 space. Okay, now from here we're going to repeat this 4 times. So I'm going to chain 2. I'm going to do a double crochet 3 cluster in the same chain 3 space. and chain 2, and do a double crochet 3 cluster in the next chain space. Chain 2, and then we're going to work our corner the same as we did in the last round, but all into the chain 4 space. So a double crochet 3 cluster, chain 2, a double crochet 3 cluster, chain 4, another double crochet 3 cluster, chain 2, and one more double crochet 3 cluster into the corner. And chain 2, double crochet 3 cluster into the chain space, chain 2, double crochet 3 together, another double double crochet 3 cluster, chain 2, and double crochet 3 together over the chain space, the half double in the next chain 2, I'm going to continue that pattern all the way around, joining with a slip stitch in the top of the first double crochet 3 together, and then we're back for our final round, which is round 6. I'll see you soon. Okay, we'll finish with round 5, on to round 6, which is our final round. So I'm just going to do a chain 1, which doesn't count as a stitch. Pop a single crochet into the same stitch, put 2 single crochet into the chain space, and 1 into the top of the double crochet cluster, 2 into a chain space. So just putting a single crochet into every stitch. So the chain 4s in the corner will give 4 single crochet. That's 2 single crochet, a chain of 2 and 2 single crochet. Chain 2 spaces, get 2 single crochet. 1 into the top of our double crochet 3 together, or our double crochet cluster, whichever it may be. And then the chain 4 in the corner, we do 2 single crochet, chain of 2 and 2 single crochet. I hope you've all enjoyed hooking up today's square as much as I have. I can't wait to see your results. I hope you all have a fabulous day, and until next time, happy hooking.